Let's cook. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the McDade's. We're going to be making some good old soul food. So here are the ingredients for the first thing that we're going to make, which is the homemade mac and cheese. Here's the ingredients as so. Elbow pasta. Gonna need a tin. Cheese, more cheese, and another cheese. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We already got the water boiling. We got about 8 cups in here, all ready to go. And we're gonna put in 1 pound of the elbow pasta because there's already 2 pounds in here. So half of this. And we're just gonna pour it in like so. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this around just to make sure it's not sticking or anything like that. And just making sure all the pastas cook evenly. We're gonna cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so the noodles are done, so we're gonna officially start layering our mac and cheese. We're gonna put a couple layers of cheese on the bottom because we like our stuff really cheesy. This is some Velveeta cheese. And we're just gonna layer it just like a pizza. So we're gonna go ahead and put the noodles right on top of the cheese. So now we're gonna add our final layer of cheese and spread it all over. Now once this cooks, it's gonna be all melty and bubbly and good. So now we're gonna put in a 1/2 cup of milk. We're just gonna pour this all over the mixture that we have. And then we're gonna put this in the oven, set it for 350. We're gonna cook this about, just say until the cheese get melted, about 10-15 minutes.
Hey guys, I'm about to cut up my salt pork, put my water in the pot, and get my greens going. So basically, I just want about a quarter of salt pork. And I'm gonna cut these up in like 4s. I'm gonna put 2 cups of water in my pan, let that boil, and then I'm gonna pick my greens. Love picking my greens. So I'm putting my greens in the water. These are mustard and turnip greens. I'm just doing a little chopping it up just to stretch it out. Some people like to stretch it out a little bit. So I'm gonna put some onion in and my greens, just a little bit. We love onion in my family, so that's what we do.
Why do you keep doing that? You're still not kissing me tonight, I tell you.
Yeah, I am. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of canola oil in here. Tablespoon of seasoning salt. Just sprinkle it all around. A tablespoon of pepper. Just a couple sprinkles of accent salt. That wakes the food up. And just a tablespoon of sugar. All greens is a black southern dish. It's like a soup. So for all my people who want to know what greens is, this lady asked me in the grocery store and I was like, damn, what is greens? It's a soup. So I got all my ingredients in there. Now I'm gonna set my timer. Usually it take about 20 to about 30 minutes. It depends on your tenderness.
Your tenderness?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, correction. Instead of cooking your mac and cheese for only 10 to 15 minutes, it's more like 45 because it has to cook and it has to get all gooey and brown on top. So now we about to get down and dirty and get to the good stuff. We're about to make some Aunt Bessie's chitlins. Now, my family was raised on Moon Oink. Other people's family was raised on Aunt Bessie's.
How long Moon Oink been around? Right. Aunt Bessie been around for how long? Let's see. They've been around since 1958.
Okay, so with chitlins, a lot of people need to understand you have to pull the membrane off of the chitlins and rinse them thoroughly. Thoroughly. I can't stress that enough. See that piece? That has to come off. And then you just do that with all of them. Just pull that membrane. So, just finished cleaning the chitlins and we're gonna turn them on medium-high heat. We only got like a one bag because it's only just me and him. And so we're gonna put one potato. Just drop it in there. And then we're gonna put half an onion. Drop it in there like so. It doesn't need to be cut. It's gonna wilt down once it starts cooking. And that's fine on that. And then we're gonna use about 1/8 of seasoning salt, black pepper, and accent.
We are about to make a honey mustard sauce that go on top of our ham. It's gonna be delicious right on top, yeah. So you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1. 2. So I'm gonna cut 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now it just came out the microwave. I'm just gonna mix it around really good. Now I'm gonna add in my honey. Hey, honey.
What you doing?
Putting 2 tablespoons of honey in this.
You're supposed to say nut and honey.
Oh, I'm sorry, nothing honey.
You messed it up.
2 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm adding Dijon mustard to it. 2 tablespoons. Now all you gotta do is just mix very well.
Okay, so our wine of today is a Rosa Sweet Sparkling Moscato Rosé from Italy.
All right.
I got some wine this week because I didn't want certain people to be talking about they didn't have any wine.
I'm gonna do the honors.
Opa!
I'm gonna get some wine glasses.
Let me smell the cork. Oh, it smells good. Sweet, flavor. Might have a robust taste. Never know. You gonna drink some right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So while he's pouring those up, we're going to oh, well, he's ready. Okay, so here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's see. It's good. Good catch. I like it.
Got it from Aldi. You can pick it up. I think it was like $4.
Yeah.
So, good wine. So my candle of the night is holiday lights. So I'm gonna burn this after them chitlins get going, finished, so the house can smell good.
Okay, so guys, today is the next day because we were really tired last night, but it took the chitlins 3 hours to cook. And basically, all we did was just let it cook, let it chill out. And we ate a little bit last night. We did get a chance to film, so my bad.
And the ham was already pre-cooked and already done. So all we did was put it in my favorite pan and fried it a little bit. And then we just put the glaze on top of it. So
that's pretty much it.
That's it. So just like,
share,
and subscribe to the channel, all right? Thank you guys.
and happy eating.